Hey everyone, I'm super excited to take you along with me to my live art event that I got to do for Chase Sapphire, yes, as in the bank, for Sundance Film Festival 2023. It was so awesome, and it was my first time going to Park City, Utah. So I'm super excited to show you everything that I got to do and see and take you with me along the journey. First things first, I wanted to show you what I packed, all the art supplies and things like that I needed for the specific event. Here's what I packed inside my suitcase. I made sure to pack everything that I needed for the event, including paper, clear sleeves to package the portrait, pencils, an eraser. I particularly love this one because it doesn't have eraser poop and I love that. So I don't have to, kind of dust the eraser away if I need it. And then of course I have my watercolor paints. This is very important. I make sure that all of the paint is squeezed at least 24 hours before the event so that it is perfectly dry before I put it in my suitcase. I also have our affirmation cards, which are like our business cards in case someone wants to contact us, or have our website information. I'm also packing our signage with our Instagram tag on it so that people can tag us as they are at the event. This is super helpful for us to repost on our Instagram and have additional marketing content. I also have a holder for our business cards, an external phone charger in case my phone battery dies. This is a lifesaver for any travel event, whether you're doing live art or not, and additional accessories. It was about a 4.5-hour flight there, and it was just super easy, nothing to note. All I did was read this book that I picked up, recommended by my friend Laura. It's called Psychology of Money, and I read through half of the book during this leg of the flight because it was just that good and super easy to read. Finally made it. Hey Bree, to the Chase event. I'm here with Bree and Nina. Say hi. We're getting all set up for the live activation for Sundance Film Festival. And these are the two templates. Here and here. On the day of the event, it was crazy packed. We had some trouble finding parking, but other than that, everything went super smooth and it was so much fun. It was filled with people in the creative industry, so I felt like the energy was infectious and magnetic, and I couldn't help but notice how excited people were to be there and how excited they were to receive a one-of-a-kind hand-painted watercolor portrait. I feel like seeing the reaction that people have when they receive their portrait is the most rewarding part of my job, and I also love having a team of artists that get to share this experience with me within my team. I even got asked to do a spontaneous interview from filmfestival.com, and I realized how much I kind of enjoy these spontaneous camera moments. I think it's really fun, and I'm not saying I'm any good at it, but I just had a good time doing that. Just wrapped up on our Chase event. It was so fun. How was it, guys?
Great.
5 hours of non-stop painting.
Oh my gosh.
These are the troops. The girls behind Chasing Linen. Where should we go next? Should we go eat? The event was 5 hours long and it just flew by because we were so busy. But because it was busy, we didn't get to eat or drink any water or get up and stretch at all. So we were very excited by the time that dinner came. We had a team dinner and got really, really yummy ramen and of course hot sake to celebrate our fun event. The next day when we woke up, it was so fun to see fresh snow falling from the sky. In Nashville, it doesn't snow a ton, and obviously in California where my team members are from, it doesn't snow hardly at all, if ever. So this was a real treat for us. That event was just so freaking cool. I'm actually getting ready for another travel event coming up in a few months. I'm actually going back to California. So if you have any questions and want to see something specific, please let me know down in the comments below. This whole vlogging thing is very new to me, so I would love to hear any pointers or just share with me what you want to see so that I can make sure to capture that on camera. Thank you so much for following me to my live art event for Chase at Sundance Film Festival. It was so much fun, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!